Have you ever wondered how to make custom workspaces in Premiere Pro? Well, this is how you do it. So imagine if you are like in an editing space, like a default preset workspace. And if you want to customize it, you can do anything you want. Go to Windows, any window that you want to be in the screen, and then you can just arrange it like this. So it can be like this, and you can arrange it like that. Or if you want this toolbox to be on this side, you can do that. Just drag and drop it here, so now it's here. So it's up to you to do whatever you want with it. And when you are satisfied with your custom made workspace, what you can do is, for example, like I don't want any of these here, so I just close this, close this, close this. So it's like just need the timeline and the screen here, so you can just delete all of these. So it's just my screen and then the timeline. So this can be like a quick workspace for, it could be like anything. For example, this is what I want as my main workspace. So what I can do is like just click on this workspaces window here and then save as a new workspace. Maybe like a quick edit workspace or something like that, or just quick edit, click OK, and that's it. And now it will be saved in here, quick edit. So if you go back to the default workspace, it's like this now, and then you just want to quickly switch to the one that you just made, just the quick edit one. See, now it's there, easy. And then if you don't like it, you can just delete it in the edit workspaces thingy, and then you go here and then you go to quick edit, the one I just created, and then delete, and that's it. And then it just shifts you back into the previous one that you were on. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.